disclaimer, some of the algorithms I used in the yellow side and the last layer are not part of the beginner's method, but you use whatever algorithms you use. Hey guys, I'm a washing machine here, and today I'm going to be doing some beginner's method solves so that you can learn how to do better things. And also, if you like the setup, just tell me. I have a really cool picture of Moi Moi right there, and then some cubes over here. So tell me if you like it, and yeah, let's get into the video. Right, so the scramble will be the one that I'm doing. It'll be U, R, F2, U, R2, F, R, F prime, U2, L2, U2, D prime, B2, L2, B2, R2, D, B2, and U. Alright, so this is just a random scramble I got from CS Timer, and now we can start. So the first thing I would do is I would do my inspection. And I see right here, I see that there's a white, an orange, and it's already put in, so I can just insert it here. But if I do that, I notice that this one isn't in the right spot, so I'm not going to do that yet. I'm actually going to move it here. But then I notice that there's a blue and white piece right here that needs to go in here, and the red was originally here and needs to turn clockwise. So if I put it in here, the red and blue will both be matched. Now I just can insert the orange like so, and then now the green is over here. It can be inserted like this, but not in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this piece over, insert the green, and just do a D2 to do the cross. So now what you're going to do is you're going to solve the corners of the white side. What I would do is just pick a random corner. The one I'm going to do is the white, green, and red piece, and I would hold it like this and just do RU, R prime, which inserts it right there. And this one, the blue, red, and white piece, I'll bring it over to the back slot, and you should be able to know how to insert the pieces without moving or turning the cube. So watch me, it's here, and I can do R prime U R, and it's inserted without me having to look. Now I see this little piece right here is in the bottom layer, so I will take the other piece that needs to go here and I'll put it over, and I'll do RU2, R prime, U prime, RU, R, and now this piece is out of there, and I'll do L prime, U, L. And now I have the first layer solved. Now I see that there's a green and orange piece already ready for me to set it up, just like that. So now I make that pair. Alright, so the next piece you're going to do is this blue and red piece, and you're just going to insert it right here, just like that, with the algorithm I taught you in my How to Solve a Rubik's Cube video. Now I have the other edge, and I insert it just like that. The orange piece is already ready to insert, so I insert it like that. And then now I have the yellow bit, so you do the algorithm to get the cross, and then whatever algorithms you know, and then you solve the final layer with whatever you know. Alright, so here's the next scramble, and what you want to do is you always want to make sure that you use your inspection time while you're solving. You will always have inspection time, so just make sure you do that. I'll just pop something up on the screen so that you can learn how to set up inspection on CS Timer. So what I would first do on this is inspect, and I see that there's a blue that can be inserted here, but there's a red that can be inserted to the red, and there's an orange ready to be inserted. What I would do is I would do a D, insert the blue, the orange, and then the red. When I do a D prime, it solves all the cross pieces. Now what I'm going to do is I see that there's a cross piece right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert it like that, just like that. Right here, I kind of see that there's already a pair made, so instead of going like this, no, you should do like that, so that you already have that edge piece solved. Okay, so I see here there's a red, green, and white piece, so I'm just going to insert it like that. And then the same thing here, there's another pair, so I'm just going to insert it like that. So now I have a pair here and a pair here, and now I just need to insert 2 more with the standard algorithm that you should know. And now you use whatever algorithms you know to solve the cube just like that. That was a pretty easy scramble, but you kind of get the point of it.